Today I'm going to show you how to make some bacon to go with your lovely breakfast croissant and egg. Basically, it's a really simple pattern, and what you have to remember is that it's 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So we're doing multiples of 3. So to get, if you want to make it longer or shorter, you just need to remember that you need 3 stitches. So to start, I'm going to make 20 chains so that I can make 18 double crochets. And I'm using Hobie 8/4 cotton. You can use any cotton really. And the most important thing is that you have like a lovely bacon red and a white. And I'm going to use 2 pinkish reds and a strand of white. You can use leftover yarns for this, anything really. So to get started, I'm going to use the darkest red that I have. I'm going to chain 20, and I'm using a number 3 crochet hook, well loved and well used. I'm going to make a slip knot and chain 20. I think it'd be easier if you made this with a thicker cotton, but this is all I have, so this is what I'm working with. So chain 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And now I'm going to go into the back bumps, and I'm going to make yarn over and make a double crochet into the back bump. It's a bit fiddly, but it gives you a nicer finish. I'm going to make three double crochets, 2 and 3, then I'm going to make 3 double crochet in the same bump, and 3 double crochets in the following 3 chains. The first row is always the hardest, working into the little bumps. 1, 2, and 3. Come on. Now I'm going to double crochet 3 together. 1, 2, and 3. And now 3 regular double crochets. 1, now we're back to making 3 double crochets in the same bump. And now 3 regular. And I'm going to put 2 doubles in the last one. Now I have my first row, and it doesn't really matter if you get something wrong or if you do too many or too little. It's a piece of bacon. It doesn't have to be perfect, and no bacon is the same. So, I mean, this is a really forgiving, I was going to say recipe because it's food, but no, it's a pattern. I'm going to snip this off. Hang on to that for later for another. And I'm going to attach the next pink, or yeah, it doesn't really matter. Again, however you like to do it. I'm going to use a slip knot and immediately start on my next row. And my next row, I'm going to do half doubles. So I'm going to start with 1 half double. And I'm going to make sure that I'm working in these ends here because I don't want to have to weave them in when I'm finished. And I'm going to half double until I get to that first bump. Again, it doesn't really matter if you don't get the exact numbers right, because it'll look great however you are. And you just, as you can see, I'm going to work 3 doubles, half doubles into this double crochet from the previous row. 1, 2, and 3. And now I'm going to work 3 half doubles in the next 3 stitches. 1, move the ends here out of the way. 2, 3, and now we've come to the dip, so I'm going to do 3 half doubles together. And now work 3 half doubles so I get back to the peak. Work 3 half doubles in that top. And work 3 half doubles on the way down. And 1 in the final one. Now I'm going to cut that one off and attach the white. Fasten off. Now these ends I can work in later and just sew them back. I'm going to do a row of singles because I want to make the white look really thin. So I make a slip knot and then I just immediately begin with my single crochet. You can fasten on your yarn just as you like, you know, whatever you're used to. This is just how I'm used to doing mine. So that's my first single. I'm gonna work my way up to that top here. I'm gonna move these tails out of the way so that and I'll work them in later. 2, so 3 single crochets into the top. Then I'm gonna work 3 down. 1, 2, and 3. Then I'm going to work 3 together. 1, 2, 3. Going to work 3 regulars. 1, 2, and 3. 3 in this top. 1, 2, 3. 3 regulars. 1, 2, and 3. And now I have left 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches. I can do, see, I'm just going to wing it here. Do 3 together and then do 1 more in order to get this to look nice. There we go. So that's our 3rd row. And now we have 1 more row to go. You cut this off. You see, there's a lot of loose ends, so you just want to work them in as you go as much as possible. I'm going to go back to the deepest red. I'm going to make a slip knot. And again, I'm going to turn my work here and work in my last single crochet. I'm going to make a row of single crochets. That's 1. Single crochet 2 together, just to make it look. And work my way up to the top here. 3 at the top. Three down. 3 together. 3 singles. 3 at the top. Then 3 more. And I'll end with 2 single crochets together and 1 at the end just to make it look straight there. And that's it. Now I have a bunch of ends to weave in, but when that's done, you'll have a nice piece of bacon. And you can change the order of your colors. You can exchange the single crochets for half doubles or for double crochets. You could do actually anything you like. And that way every piece of bacon will look just a little bit different, as does the one that I just made. So I hope that you enjoyed this little tutorial and that you make your own bacon so that you can have a lovely egg and bacon breakfast. Enjoy!